Meaning of dog tag.
Dog tag.
Dog tag.
Dog tag.
Dog tag. A dog tag is a metal identification tag worn on a chain around the neck by military personnel. It contains personal information about the wearer, such as name, rank, and service number, and is used as a means of quickly identifying individuals in the event of injury or death. Dog tags have been used by various armed forces around the world since World War I and have become an iconic symbol of military service. They serve as a reminder of the sacrifices made by those who have served their country in times of war and peace.